Next exercise 2, network segmentation. Tends to grow large and become difficult to manage. As a business, the network should be broken into business segments. Once a network is broken into segments, not only with increased manageability. So, tapos virtual local area only on what it can divide network into multiple broadcast domains without the users of routers, multi-section or broadcast domains, increase the manageability, possible to apply restrictions on the smaller sections. Intranet, only available to employees. Extranet, organization with resources available through internet without giving access to organization's internal network. Demilitarized zone. Most internet-facing provide access to external users, such as clients and vendors. Any server gets compromised, you need to segregate inputs of the server, east-west traffic, communicate with each other, for example, physical and virtual servers, containers, and microservices architecture. Traffic following from one container to another or from one virtual machine known as east-west traffic. Yung north at saka west, zero trust, but certain network is based on methodology. All requests received on any device on network, regardless if it's internally or externally located, must always be authenticated and authorized. So exercise 3, virtual private network, allows user to connect a specific network, such as the organization's network is unsecured external network internet. Ito yung makikita kung paano natin always on natin yung VPN natin kung magsa-search kung maghanap tayo ng connection, an internet connection. Tapos, split tunnel versus full tunnel. Ang split tunnel naman ay ang full tunnel ay connection to all. Ang network traffic is routed through the enterprise, while split tunnel hindi siya routed through enterprise network but handled externally. Lahat ng mga network traffic, ang load ng network traffic from enterprise network. Remote access ay remote can access internal networks resources when connected to VPN. Site to site ay company, it has different branches. The branches need to access resources from each other. 2. VPN gateways need to be created in each branch to ensure connectivity. IPsec ay create encrypted interconnections between networking devices. Secure socket layer replaced with TLS. Ang SSL naman ay secure primarily used between web server. Ang SSL ka lang kasi nakasecure lang sa dalawang informations between two endpoints. Subalit si transport layer security siya yung as in secure halos mas advanced siya, like mas parang bagong updated ng SSL. May provide ng tataas yung security mo. Yun ang HTML5 VPN connection between two types. The first type is a the client application that is installed as a system. The second type is clientless connection done through HTML5 VPN portal. Layer 2 tunnel or L2TP tunneling protocol is used to create VPN connections. Ito, aralin na lang natin to kasi nawala siya nung last time. Aralin na natin paano natin. Ang magagawin natin, ito yung paano natin makita yung media access control. Punta tayo sa Microsoft Edge, search na natin gamit ng HTTP. Hanapin na natin. Gusto niyo i-post to para i-check, so ko lang. Once na fill up na yan, makikita mo na yung Linksys by Cisco. Makikita mo lahat ng mga basic setup. Punta ka dun sa MAC address. So, MAC wireless MAC filter, tapos may kita na punta ka sa MAC filter, tapos may kita mo, ito lalabas nito. Kung pinili nyo ito yung wireless MAC filter, may kita mo na naka-disable siya. So, gagawin nun, dapat i-enable. Tapos, para makita yung kung sino yung nakakonect sa atin, parang kung sino nakakonect sa sa employee, yung isang employee. Subalit, sabihin natin na ako yung CEO, o ako yung may HR, may hawak akong like website, internet. Like gusto na may pag-connect yung yung employee ko para may wifi sila magawa nila yung work. So, ang gagawin, may kita wireless client list. Tapos, may kita yung kung sino naka-open na ng VPN. Like, for example, anong pangalan ng pangalan ng client mo, like, pangalan ng employee mo, pangalan ng employee mo, ang interface niya, gamit niya, wire ba siya or wireless. At nakikita yung IP address na, nakikita ang MAC address niya, kung na-connect ba siya, hindi. Kung na-connect yan, ibig sabihin, ayan, parang active siya, or similar siya sa active at saka hindi siya active. So, ayan, save the MAC address filter list, tapos i-add na natin yun. Add na lang yun, tapos magpapakita siya din. Tapos, once na-add na yan, itong client na yan, or employees, close na lang natin. Close na yan. May kita na kasama na siya dun sa listahan. Dun sa kung sinong gusto mag-connect dun sa internet ng kumpanya. Yan yung masasabi ko. Exercise 5, Network Appliances and Service. Magamitin na ng Jump Server. Jump Server ay parang siya. Secure system device that connects to the similar security zones. Connect your internal network with a highly secure network. Able to connect to a secure network, you need to navigate to Jump Server. Configure between the DMZ and the office worker. Only entry point of the DMZ. So, ang mangyayari, once nakakonect tayo sa internet, pupunta doon sa customer's firewall, tapos pupunta doon sa Jump Server, either, parang magkoconnect tayo, both, like, web at saka database. For example, sabihin natin na Facebook, na-input na natin yung information, napunta dun sa internet, napunta din sa customer's firewall. Ito yung mga parang account siya. Tapos pupunta dun sa Jump Server, yung lahat ng information at saka yung yung employer, user, pwede mapupunta dito yung doon sa web. Mapupunta sa web. Tapos, at the same time, yung informations na na input ng user, mapupunta doon sa database para ma-record nila kung sino yung sino nag-fill up, sino nag-sign up doon sa website na yan, sino gusto. Yan ang tawag dyan sa Jump Servers. Both user and information. Both user information pupunta na sila dyan. Na-connect ng dalawa, itong web at saka database. Hindi lang masyadong parang dapat nakapares din yung nun, yung dapat naka-inject siya ng SQL para makakonect din sa web, para ma-record. Pag once na log in si user. Once na nag-log in si user, mahanap niya dun sa sa database. Which means nag-sign up siya. Yun. Proxy servers act as an agent. Basically, when users attempt to access the proxy server, will simply go and fetch the URL, return it to the user. Attempt to access a website. Tapos makikita ano. This way, the user does not have directly connected. Does not have to be directly. There are different types of roles proxy server. Application layer firewall inspects the packet component's header data portion of the packet. Transparent does not require any additional software to be installed at the client's end. Configure the default gateway IP address to point the proxy server. Circuit operates at layer 5, which is the session layer of the OSI model. SOCKS firewall is a type of circuit level. Forward internet are sent to proxy server, which first checks its cache for the same web pages user is trying to access. Reverse proxy works in just opposite manner. Forwarded proxy receives a request the internet any external networks. NIDS ay designed for monitor network traffic. Parang ano lang, parang CCTV lang siya. Titignan niya lang nagde-detect lang siya kung saan yung vulnerability, saan yung may damage doon sa firewalls. Anong files na merong mga viruses, mga malicious na malware. Ganun. Pero ang pagkakaiba ang NIDS at saka NIPS, ang NIDS ay lang, 'di ba? Monitor lang, detect lang kung ano. Pagdating sa network-based intrusion prevention, pwede mag-monitor, pwede mag-detect, pwede protektahan tong against sa mga malicious traffics, suspicious and malicious traffics yan. Kasi mas marami ito yung si NIPS kaysa sa NIDS. Si NIDS, detect lang yun eh. Monitor lang. Nagmo-monitor, CCTV, ganun. Similar siya sa CCTV. Signature base ay specific pattern identifies a particular threat. Patterns has found in the signatures, it is considered as a threat. Like for example, merong ginawang si hacker, gumawa siya ng pattern ng na kung paano sila makalusot dun sa firewall. Kung ma-detect na ng signature based IDS, dyan malalaman kung na merong malicious traffic or merong suspicious na malware. Ganun. Behavior is a monitored behavior in custom programs. I-check nila kung okay ba yung condition ng system or processes or tsaka programs. Like 'di ba pag mag-scan mag-antivirus tayo, dapat i-check lahat kung okay pa naman yung condition ng laptop natin or computer natin or cellphone natin. So ang titignan nila kung okay, kung maganda, good pa yung condition. Heuristic ay gumagamit siya ng algorithm, scan application na trafficked programs. Ito yung nagde-determine kung lahat ng 'di ba, network traffic, kung merong may nasama ba siyang malicious na tawag diyan, malware na pwede na ma-hack or pwede ma-damage tong firewall para mapasukan nila yung tong system na to. Kung mangyayari, kung iwan na lang ng ganito, wala na, di ba? Sira na system. Napakailaman na ng hacker. Diba? Anomaly is also a help in detecting potential network exploits. It once installed network traffic information, create a baseline of the traffic to detect any traffic that is new or unusual. Ang anomaly kasi dinidetect niya na kahit anong traffic pa, kahit network traffic, application traffic, or kahit anong traffic. Basta, ang importante ng ang pinaka main role ng anomaly base, dinidetect niya kung yung traffic ba yan merong bang malicious intent or may napasokang like ransomware, spyware, lahat ng mga klaseng virus, phishing, spear phishing, merong Trojan, malware, ganun. Inline versus passive. So, an IDS can be two types, inline or passive. Si inline IDS, connected siya sa network, monitors traffic in real time. As data flows on the network, the inline IDS monitors the data. Sa passive IDS, siya, parang kabaliktad ng inline. Siya yung kabaliktad siya. Kung sabihin natin inline ay yung real time, like parang CCTV lang siya. Tuloy-tuloy lang yung record. Pero si passive, mangyayari, kakopy lang, parang hintay mo lang yung matapos tong inline na mag-video. Tapos, titignan mo ulit, kukuha ka ng copy, para i-double check kung mayroong napasokang nakapasok na malicious na hindi na-detect ng inline. Yun, parang double checking for security purposes. Well, hardware security module, security device used for safeguarding, managing data keys which are used for strong authentication. Plug-in card or external devices are performing encryption and decryption, manage secure keys generation, perform secure key storage, manage transparent data encryption, keys for database, cryptographic algorithms supported with HSM, AES, RSA, SHA-1, DDES, Diffie-Hellman key exchange. Mababa to. HSM, which is hardware security module, meet both requirements mentioned in the scenario. Increases the performance of the web server by offloading cryptographic functions. Moreover, HSM stores the private key. Different of HSM available such as USB and PCIe cards. HSM performs various functions such as encryption, keys management, and key exchange, encryption, decryption, cryptographic function offloading from servers, FIPS 143, PCIe cards, USB drives, micro SD cards for hardware. Kung gagamit ka na ng hardware sa hardware security module. Yan. Merong types of HSM, which is the hardware, which similar siya, parang siya, outside of computer or outside ng system, like PCIe cards, micro SD cards, pwede USB, pwede rin yung CD, ganun. Yun ang yung mga hardware. Ewan ko kung kasama CD yung hardware. Meron ding Terabank, hardware siya, parang memory card lang yun. Binigay ko lang ng example kung yun ang alam ko. So, virtual can be downloaded from a software vendor's website. They can be FIPS 140-2. Not validate, there is no physical hardware involved. Pwede ka naman mag-download ng kahit tawag dyan, kahit anong website. Kasi siya, software. Virtual kasi, pag virtual, sinasabi, siya, pwede, lang siya, software siya. Ginawa purpose for software purposes. Hosted, yun yung provides the same level of security in cloud environment such as a hardware SHM in a local environment. Yeah. Sensors, Ang sensors ay pwedeng perform ng network traffic. Bibigay ko sa inyo mga keywords. Sa collectors, responsibility ng collectors, magko-collect lang ng data galing sa sensors. Like for para siyang CCTV. Again, CCTV. Or yan. Nakikita mo yung na-record lahat ng performance ng dun sa network traffic. Tapos, si collector, kukunin niya yung information galing sa sensor. Tapos, once na nakuha na lahat, papunta doon sa aggregators, siya yung parang nag-a-arrange siya ng lahat ng data kung saan sila pwedeng saan pwedeng applicable. Saan data tong pwedeng isalpak. Saan ba yung saan ilalagay na pwedeng gagana lahat. Yan. Next, firewalls. Simplest term, firewall either software-based or hardware-based, responsible for monitoring, controlling the ingress and egress traffic on network. Siya yung like para siyang security check. Ganun. Chine-check lahat kung okay ba yung traffic, okay. Titignan nila kung normal yung yung data na pinapapasok ni firewall at saka kung kaya nila makontrol lahat ng traffic na wala namang problema, ganun. Yan yung alam ko. Merong like different types of firewalls. Web application firewall ay yung parang perform various activities like patching application, removing unused features, and closing unnecessary ports. But siya, tatanggalin halos yung mga hindi na masyado kailangan. Like parang siyang automatically na tatanggalin natin yung mga hindi talaga importante. Like list na ginagamit ng user. List na ginagamit ng like list na pinupuntahan ng user para wala tanggal na siya. WAF is designed to prevent application from cross-site scripting, SQL injection attacks. WAF works at OSI level 7, protecting HTTP and HTTPS traffic. Okay. Next generation. Siya? Advanced version siya ng traditional firewall. Pwede niya design siya para mag-perform port and protocol inspection. Check lahat ng na deep packet inspection, deep packet SSL, geolocation, sandbox at saka web application firewall. Kasi sila check lang nila yung yung sa data natin. Yung tawag dyan, yung traffic within web application firewall. Ito, chine-check yan. Chine-inspect lahat ng protocol ng network traffic. Kung maayos ba siya, or chine-check yan kung pwede siya para pumasok papunta sa web application. Stateful ay inspecting the packet whether they fragment or not, also block the unauthorized traffic from entering the network, also allows access only to specific ports within respective protocol. Stateless, watch the network act on the source or destination addresses, make packet filtering decision based on the packet headers. Unified Threat Management, also known as Next Generation Firewall, can perform function. Firewall, anti-spam, content filtering, data loss prevention, and malware scanner. Ngayon ang problema sa ano meron kasi ako na-download ng malware scanner kaso merong ibang nakapasok agad yun. Kahit marami kasing daanan ng pwede madaanan ng hacker kaya malware scanner alone hindi siya hindi siya kaya para ma-detect lahat kung anong isa sa kanila ang may malware sa mga data or data along within the network traffic. So next, network address translation. You need to connect a private network to a public. You can use NAT gateway, which uses a single IP address. Private network behind the NAT gateway is not exposed to the internet. The servers and the system on the private network can still access the internet, but they are not exposed. Only the IP address of the NAT gateway exposed to the internet. Only one way to safeguard your private network. Is the you see sa private net kung ko-connect tayo dun yung NAT gateway sa private network hindi siya exposed like tagong-tago talaga parang secure lahat ng informations lahat ng kung gusto mo may sarili kang network sarili mo lang na dapat naka-connect siya dun sa dapat naka-connect yung NAT gateway sa private. Kung hindi, kung ginawa to sa public, expose lahat. Kahit i-post mo lahat ng mga information, mga importante, kita lahat ng mga marami. Like, similar siya sa cloud. Yun. Similar siya sa cloud, kaya nagkaganon. Kahit sabi mo i-private mo lang lahat, i-public mo lahat, akala mo lang small range lang yun. Like, hindi siya like, hindi siya like metropolitan. Hindi siya local area network. Hindi siya metropolitan area network. Hindi siya. Lahat talaga buong mundo makikita yung kasi naka-public siya. Expose lahat ng mga informations na nilagay mo dun sa NATGET sa net. So next, content URL filter. Prevent users access to certain applications like executables. Firewall again and virus content filtering devices. Open source firewall can either be resource or proprietary. When you prefer proprietary firewall, the software or hardware firewalls by themselves. Some of the key proprietary walls are CIS, Cisco ASA, WatchGuard, Fortinet FortiGate, SunPulse TZ. Ito yung mga proprietary walls, mga free version. Ano ba yan? Ito yung ito yung may bayad. Like, ito yung may bayad. Cisco ASA WatchGuard Fortinet. Kasi, ito yung ito yung may full version. Like, secure ka talaga. Secure talaga yung yung data mo. Lahat ng information, lahat ng data, lahat ng na-input mo or na-save mo dun sa cloud, sure na itong Cisco ASA WatchGuard Fortinet FortiGate SunPulse TZ, yun na talagang safe, pero may bayad. Itong FPSense ClearOS Firewall Endian Firewall Community IPFire NetDeep Secured Untagged Classware, wala siyang parang libre siya. Libre siya. Pwede mo siya i-download tong. Diba yan to? Basta mo lang sige ko lang. Or full features that you get in commercial firewalls. Some of the key open source firewall as ito. Nakikita yun sa listahan. Hardware versus software. Pag hardware, siya? Equipped with all firewall features. As in, pagka nakabili ka na ng ganito, router, ay hindi, modem. Kung nakabili ka ng modem ng ganito, ewan ko kung tawag dyan, modem or router. Alam ko router kasi pag connect tayo sa internet eh. Kung sabihin natin na modem, ito, possible na ito yung modem natin. Ito yung magiging modem natin para makakonect tayo. Ito kasi ay purpose for company. Kung magsasend tayo ng work sa HR, dapat meron ganito para rekta na connect siya dito, tapos mapupunta lahat ng na-send natin mapupunta dito, lalabas yan papunta doon sa HR para na-send mo na siya. Yun naman ako, yun ang understanding ko. Pag sa software, di ko pa, parang ano siya, pag sa software naman kasi kailangan mo tong kailangan din either independent application or built into the operating system. Kailangan okay na yung mo, Defender firewall, dapat siya, check lahat, tawag dyan, positive lahat, wala nang nakababang firewall or kulang-kulang, makikita yun. Tapos makikita na lahat ng information, lahat ng yung sa database nun. Hindi ko alam kung itong database ba yun o Sabi, example of independent software firewalls, Glassware, not only monitors the system but also detects unwanted changes in the system. And kung gusto niyo search yung Glassware, sige, go lang. Tignan mo na lang yun. Appliance versus host-based versus virtual. Sa host-based firewall, siya, is looking for a single host firewall solution. A single system. Kung host-based, lang siya, ang proprotektahan lang niya ay single system lang. Like, isang computer, isang computer lang yan eh. Host-based, isang computer lang pwede mo protektahan. Pag appliance-based naman, hardware device siya na place sa network to monitor and manage incoming and outgoing traffic. Is that kasi tawag dyan. Kasi sa appliance-based firewalls, marami siyang marami siyang firewalls. Kaya yung previous na sinabing doon sa hardware, marami siyang firewalls kaysa sa software. Sa software, kailangan pa yan. Check mo lahat. Check mo pa rin sa Glassware. Check mo rin dun sa Windows Defender. Okay, maraming siya. Maraming proseso yun. Pero pag sa hardware, madali na yun. Sasalpak mo na lang. Maraming firewall yun. Hindi, mahirapan yung mga hacker or attackers para makuha nila yung gusto nila. So, route security. Routes determine how the information can reach its target. Router is responsible for learning and sending the packet on a specific route, even though there's several routes available. Tends to choose most appropriate path. If the router itself can compromise, the attacker can feed false routes, send information with different path altogether. Missions need peers. Develop peering relationship or neighboring adjacency to send the information. Like, for example, perform neighboring authentication. Disable dynamic peer discovery, which allows router to discover new neighbors. Like, naka-open na yung mo. Yung traffic or naka-open lahat yung mga rota, pwede yung imbis na diretso dun sa receiver, merong tendency na pwedeng sirain yung rota na yan. Either kokopyahin ba yan or pupunta dun, diretso punta ba yan or kokopyahin para hindi ma-detect. Yun lang. Set interface, passive using passive interface on which you do not want to route the adjacencies to prevent any automatic route adjacencies in these interfaces. Using infrastructure protection access control list to permit only legitimate traffic for authorized devices on the network. Mangyayari, sila ang responsible ng ACLS infrastructure. IP ACLS ay check nila kung authorized tong devices like cellphone, tapos gusto natin i-receive dun sa i-receive dun sa gusto i-send dun sa receiver. Ang role ng IP ACLS, si-check niya kung legit siya, legitimate yung ko, yung connection ko between the receiver or yung rota ko, kung safe ba yan, safe ba yung rota yung binibigay ko, safe ba yung rota na ginamit ko para ma-send sa receiver. Okay. Configure route filtering routers to ensure only the required networks receive routing data and not supposed to receive the traffic network. Route information broadcast. Quality of service, nangyari. Set priorities and define network traffics, such as video traffics, can be prioritized over other types. Traffic that uses user datagram protocol. Video and voice traffic are examples of traffic that uses the UDP, the user datagram protocol. Okay. This is na kasi. It is known the fact that IPv4 address is running out dahil na siya, nag-upgrade na siya to IPv6. Mas malaki yung yung addressing space niya. Tapos nag-offer siya ng maraming IP addresses, imbis na parang limited addresses na pwedeng kasi since it's digital age naman, kailangan talaga kunin lahat ng IP addresses from all around the world para mahanap nila kung anong kunin nilang hanapin ko mga klaseng IP address. Networks need to be upgraded or redesigned if existing network architecture designed according to IPv4 scheme may not support IPv6. Devices and operating system needs to be upgraded. Organization will be using an older version of an operating system of an older network device. They do not support IPv6. Hindi siya nakaka-support yun. Kung mababa ang version ng device mo o yung OS mo, kung mababa yung version nun, hindi siya susupport. Ibig sabihin, limitado lang access, limitado lang yung access dun sa IP mo. Limited lang. Parang malit lang yun. Parang abot na 1,000 or 1 million or half a mil, 50 mil na IP address. Ganun nakakunti. Hindi kaya ng So next, addresses are long and difficult to remember, memorize IP4 address and add them to any application or system. Difficult to remember an IPv6 address because of its length. IPv6 cannot communicate. Security concerns when using relay routers convey IPv6, IPv4 communicate with the system that will still work with IPv4. Then, port spanning or port mirroring, also known as switch port analyzer. It's a switch that can dedicated port used to mirror traffic from one port and then send to the mirrored copy to the traffic to another port. Like kung gusto mo mag-send ka ng parang alam ko similar sa like pag forward yung mo, image mo, forward yung image, diba? Nag-send sa'yo ng nag-send sa'yo yung picture. Bale, kung magka-forward ka, nasa sa'yo pa rin yung copy. Nasa sa'yo yung origin, binigay sa'yo. Tapos yung copy, kasi since it's mirrored, pupunta dun sa yun, dun sa sinesend mo. Papunta dun sa gusto mo isi-send mo. Kaya yun ang yun ang understanding ko. To another port, which means other devices, other IPs. Your copy of the traffic is used for monitoring. And the various reasons you need to monitor the network traffic. Some of the keys used in analyzing the traffic patterns, detecting intrusions, adhesive compliance, correlating. Port taps. Alternating to port mirroring can also use a special device for mirroring data. Passive devices based on the network capture data on specific port. Easy to install. Once installed, you do not need to do anything. Mirror can receive the sent traffic in real time, which is an automatic na lang siya. Yun lang. May mga importante. Monitoring services. Keep an eye on networking traffic. Paggamit natin, ito yung gamit nating key tools. WhatsApp Gold 2017, Nagios 11, Zabbix at saka Isinga. For integrity, can have DDL, executable logs, text, other file system required for operating system to function, virus application to have such files that applications use. After attack compromise system, they may be altered some configuration files such as alteration. It's difficult to detect if you do not have file integrity monitored enabled. May makita natin. So, mangyayari, explain ko na to. Since kung gagamit ka na ng Percipio Laboratory, sunod mo na to, root, tapos password. Once na cat boot config na-enter lahat, papakita mga configurations lahat ng sa Kali. May makikita. Clear lahat. DF. Data frame. Data frame ng Kali. Ayan na. Makikita. Clear. Touch PLAB. Pumunta dun sa PLAB. Laboratory. PLAB. Mga list. LS. SH mod 700. Ayan, nilagay natin. SHL PLAB text. Kung ito-type natin. Users do not have permission. Notice that other users do not have permission for this file. Hindi na sila pwede kumawak or pwede umedit, pwede makita. Only selected people lang pwede. Getfactl. Ewan ko kung tama. You can verify the permission on this file using the getfactl command. Type the following. Root uses has to read, write, and execute. Since ito yung sabi, kung gusto mo ma-verify yung permission ng isang user, gamitin yung getfactl, tapos pwede na sila either pwede mag-edit, pwede nyo basahin, pwede makita, pwede mag-execute tong file na yun, pinapaan mo. Next, Kingfisher, yun ang pangalan ng user. Tapos getfactl, ang getfactl, meron pang getfactl yun. Tama. Getfactl yung permission. Papayag siya. verify permission with ls command. Hindi ko alam kung tama yung ginawa ko. Pero basta nagawa ko na itong nangyari kasi, nawala. Pero sabihin natin na nagawa na natin ito lahat. Nawala kasi yung ko eh. Nakalagay na done eh. Yan ang nangyari. Pero nakatapos naman ako. So, yan. Nawala yung yung nagka-problema din yung OBS ko. Kaya, dyan na. Ginawa ko naman ito lahat eh. Bago nagkaroon ng problema ko OBS ko. Yan. So, yun.